Hey guys, Johnny here from Chronic Health. Real quick, I want to show you. It's past 8 o'clock. Just turn on the light. That's the moon. We got full moon coming up in a couple of days, right? And as always, Chronic Health, they make you a high performance individual. Raw plant-based, mostly fruit, right? Electric being, right? And all these people that keep telling me that you cannot get all your nutrients from a raw plant-based, mostly fruits. I gotta tell you, you are totally wrong. And the main problem, right, that most people have, right, with not getting all your nutrients from a raw plant-based, mostly fruits, right? Nothing has to be cooked. Everything you cook is dead. Animal DNA is not human compatible, right? Your problem is absorption, right? That's why I always emphasize that there's got to be a cleanse process, a detox process, a purging process, right? And you do that with a 45 day, 50, 60 days of a juice fast, where you're juicing yourself, right, until you clean everything that is sticking on the walls of your entire 30 feet of digestive system out of your system. Get everything out. You got to purge absolutely everything, right? There's biofilm, there's plaque, whatever is sticking in there. When I did this, right, in the times that I've done this juice fast, you have no idea. You stop eating and you're juicing, and keep pumping juicing into your system, right? And in a lot of ways, it's gonna come out. Things that you're not gonna imagine is gonna come out, especially if you haven't done this ever or in a long time. Once you start building your microbiome and your entire system is clean, you're going to notice, right? And that's what I'm telling people is you become an electric being where you can actually feel things instead of being plugged to a machine that tells you how you feel, right? It's a different way to approach this. You become electric. You feel things. You don't need anybody to tell you. You don't need any machine to tell you how you feel, right? But it's because you're so clean. You remove all that insulation that you have inside from feeling things. And the absorption that you're gonna get, right? Your new microbiome, your entire intestines, your entire digestive system is gonna start absorb everything that you need, everything raw that you need, right? From your new diet, mostly fruits, raw plant-based, seeds, nuts, sprouts, right? And once you get to that level, right, you're gonna understand how this machine, this supercomputer, it's a quantum computer that is powered by an alkaline solar panel. Let's put it that way, right? What we consume, right, is chlorophyll. And I was talking about this today, where you see our blood, right, the hemoglobin is I'm not going to say exactly the same, but it's very similar to chlorophyll in the plant. The only difference is that at the center of every molecule of hemoglobin, right, you have you got iron, right, and the plants contain what? Magnesium. Magnesium, which is that mineral that is essential for absorption of water. Right, guys, I am not telling you this because I am reading on the book, right, or I'm listening to everybody. This is all coming to sense, and now I keep listening to people telling me all this when I already know how it works, right? So hemoglobin, chlorophyll, basically what I'm talking about here is photosynthesis. What we consume is energy from the sun, right? And we become electric, right, by consuming things that are alive. Today I hear this guy, Brian Johnson, talking about his water. He's checking his water. I don't consume that much water. I eat water. So my water in the fruits, watery fruits, right, it's already filtered, it's already ionized, it's already alkaline, it's already purified water. That's what's so important, to get organic produce. And if you cannot get organic products, Then is when I add, right, my vitamins, my minerals, my enzymes through, like he's doing with my green shake, right, which is basically superfoods. My chlorella, my spirulina, my wheat, right, all this in a shake, right, to compensate for what I cannot get from the food. Right, today I ended up my last meal at 4 o'clock, so I ate once again from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 6 hours. So I'm 18 hours fasting, and I'm walking around because now it's 8 o'clock, and I'm trying to figure this out. That in the summertime, right, it's probably bright until 9 o'clock down here in South Florida, right? And I want to try probably in the hottest days, right? I mean, during the entire summertime, to take a nap, maybe 30, 40 minutes of relaxation, so I can go to sleep a little later, right? Maybe past 10 o'clock, right? Still getting up early in the morning at 4 o'clock in the morning. Now it's bright at 6 o'clock. Okay? Sunrise is 6:30, but it's already bright at 6 o'clock. I want to continue with these 6 hours of restfulness, right? I want to decrease, right, the amount of hours that I need to be fully rested, right? More meditation, more exercise, get a little more tired. I want to go to sleep. When I go to sleep, I don't even want to dream. I just want to go to sleep. I want to crash, right? And with that, I'm going to let you go, guys. And keep this in mind. Electrical being, feel it, senses, right? Bring out all these senses that you have, right? Your sense of smell, your sense of hearing, your eyes, guys, your eyes. You can work on your eyes. I'm a 53-year-old that's not wearing glasses, right? I can smell everything. I can hear everything. I'm just so awake. I can sense everything. I can taste everything, right? And I'm getting to find out how this machine works from within. I don't need to be plugged to a machine to tell me how my liver, how my kidneys doing, how much water do I get. My body keeps telling me from within, right? And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Beautiful, like once again. So I can tell you right now, it's just about to get high tide. I don't even have to check. I just know where the moon is, and I'm telling you, just about 8 o'clock is high tide, right? Because I feel in the waters. If I go to the bay right now, which is just a couple blocks away from here, I can tell you that the bay is just flat glass, because that's how I feel right now. Now, check this out. If you see me right now, you see me calm. You see me happy. All that noise and all that, whatever. I'm chemically balanced. I haven't taken anything. I haven't eaten anything since 4 p.m. But I'm chemically balanced. And that's what we got to do at command. People don't understand. You have the power. When you're happy, when you're cool, you're calm, you relax, and when you're making your best decisions. Right? And when you catch yourself being cool, happy, enjoying life without taking absolutely anything, you're chemically balanced from within. And that's what we need to learn how to do at command. Let's say, and this is respectfully to anybody that suffers out there, right? Remember that here what I'm doing is preventive health, right? I'm not curing anything, I'm not sick, right? But if you have a problem with anxiety, depression, stress, and you take a pill, the pill works really well, right? So what I tell you is it's just a chemical imbalance that you have that the pill makes it work. And the pill works very well. But once again, all these quick fixes is like you have waste poop and you get whipped cream and you cover the poop with whipped cream. And it covers it very well. It works, right? But once the whipped cream melts, the poop remains. What we need to learn how to do is not to generate poop. Literally, right? But also, think about this, guys. Waste. I do not want to generate waste. I don't want to have waste in my body. I want things that go in, digest real quick, in and out. And the best things are not cooked, not sticky stuff, no animal DNA, fruits, vegetables, sprouts, seeds, nuts, all those things come in, they come out. My body absorbs what it needs, boom. and an empty stomach. And when you are empty stomach, when we're all empty stomach, right, we're not getting influence from what's in our body. Remember, what we eat becomes us. We absorb that DNA, right? And that's what all I'm trying to do here. And we're trying to figure it out, right? As we go on along the way, right? It's not anti-aging. We're trying to figure it out how I'm age 53. How a 53-year-old is supposed to look like in the best shape, in the best health, right? And I'm getting to that point. And how long the human mechanism, the human body, the human being really lasts. We're saying that, well, humans last to 100 years old, 110. We don't know. Maybe we can live until 200, which is living so badly, right? So all these vices, all these bad food, or lack of exercise, lack of sleep, bad nutrition, that we don't, breath work, right? That we don't really know how long we're supposed to last. And that is what I'm trying to do here. But it has to be a happy life, guys. A happy life is when you consume raw plant-based foods. But like I say, if you consume animal DNA, you act like that animal. I'm more like a mango right now, like a plant, cool, calm, relax. And that's when you make your best decisions. And because the full moon is almost gone, well, full moon is in 2 days, right? I'm gonna let you go, guys. Please pay attention to what I'm telling you. Make sense out of this. Raw plant-based, mostly fruits, seeds, nuts, sprouts, everything alive. What you need to eat, if you want to live, you need to consume things that are alive, right? You buy frozen meat that has been there for how long, right? And then you cook it, you get all the water out. Same with the rice, same with the beans, same with everything that you cook. But we've been taught, right? We've been brainwashed, that's what you gotta eat. It's not. Now, I'm gonna keep telling you the process, the detox process, the cleanse process, the purging, right? Which is the juicing, right? It's a process that, it's a detox process. It's brutal, the hardest thing you're ever gonna do. But once you can come to the other side, is when you become alive, right? And with that, guys, because it's getting dark, I'm gonna let you go. And you guys have an amazing evening. Ciao.